What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sharde, and this YouTube channel is all about helping you enhance your health and beauty. Today we're going to be talking about sea moss. I love sea moss. There's so much information out there about it, so I figured let me just make a video, show you how to make it, and talk about the benefits. Now I'm about to use 2 limes to enhance the flavor and neutralize the sea moss as well. After you add spring water to your sea moss, you want it to sit at least 6 to 8 hours. My sea moss is ready to go, and now it's time to make my gel.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, so I'm about to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and while the mask is sitting, I'm actually going to go back to my blender and make myself a chocolate cacao beauty smoothie. tell you, this is good. This is so good. Y'all have to believe me. You have to give this a try. So, what is sea moss? Sea moss is a seaweed, also known as Irish moss, contains 92 of the 102 minerals our bodies need. It also helps you to boost your energy, boost your immune system, rids the body of mucus, helps your thyroid function, aids in digestion, regulates appetite, detoxifies the body, and also nourishes the hair and skin. By the way, it's been about 15-20 minutes and this is how the mask is looking right now. It's a little tight, but it's not unbearable. So that's what's going on. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals. So I'm not going to read all the vitamins and all the minerals, but I'll just name a few. So it's loaded with amino acids, high in calcium, high in iodine, high in iron, high in magnesium, high in potassium and sulfur and zinc. Now, with my sea moss, I'm actually going to keep it for 2 weeks. I'm not going to keep it no longer than that. I like for my stuff to be fresh. This is what my skin is looking like. Yeah, a little bit on my neck still, but yep. This is what my skin is looking like. I'm liking it, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. I'm loving the way how my skin is looking after this mask, and I am going to do this 7-day sea moss mask. So just let me know, what do you want to see? What are some of your concerns? Thank you so much, ladies, for watching this video. If you're someone that's interested in enhancing your health and beauty, subscribe, because this channel will be loaded with this kind of content, and I'm so excited to be on this platform and provide that kind of content for you all. So I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope you are inspired. Leave your favorite part in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video. Bye.
I'ma give it to you, yeah. Promise, I'ma give it to you. Yeah.